Welcome. In front of me is a POPTEL P8, and today I'll show you how to perform a hard reset of the device through factory mode. So to get started, you want to hold power key and select power off. Wait for it to shut off, and once it has, we'll then hold power key and volume up, both keys at the same time. So power key, volume down. Now once you see the logo, you can let go of only power key. So keep holding volume down. And we're now in the factory mode. So from here you will use volume down to scroll down. Just grab it, a better angle at it. Scroll down using volume down. And you want to select clear eMMC and confirm it with the power key. And now the reset of the device will begin. So once this is finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. Okay, and as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.